Loader test, what it is and why it matters. When we load a chart into dKart Inspector, a background test is automatically triggered. Its main goal is to check whether the data is suitable for further use. Why do we need this test? First, it checks whether the S57 files, both the main chart and any updates, are properly formatted. Second, it identifies errors, including both critical issues and simple warnings. And finally, it helps reveal problems that can't be fixed directly in the software. These issues need to be resolved at the chart production stage. When is the test triggered? Automatically, as soon as you load the main chart or apply updates. This applies to both manual and automatic update application if the Apply All Automatically option is enabled. Where to view the results? Open the Reports panel. You will find two tabs: Chart Loading for the base chart, Update Application for updates. Each error or warning comes with a message. You can click on it to highlight the corresponding object on the chart or in the object tree if it was successfully loaded. What settings are available? Go to File, Options, Load tab. There you can enable CRC checking to verify file checksums. Please note an important detail. The checksums of the files are compared against the values specified in the catalog file. This means the program can verify the integrity of the files only if the catalog file is available. If you enable the Ignore Catalog option, the program will not use the catalog file, and therefore there will be nothing to compare the checksums with. As a result, file integrity verification becomes impossible. So, if verifying data correctness is important for your task, it is recommended not to enable the Ignore Catalog option. You can also adjust the report verbosity, for example, disable extra warnings or turn off specific dKart checks. This helps filter the output and makes the report easier to analyze. How to work with the report. It's simple. Open the Chart Loading or Update Application tab. Review the messages. Locate the object on the chart. And decide whether the chart can be used as is or if it needs to be fixed. And finally, a key reminder. If the test finds fatal errors, the chart may fail to load or may only load partially. And remember, dKart Inspector is not an editor. It doesn't fix data issues. If there are serious problems, contact the chart producer.